Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Zone, where you get top-notch affiliate marketing content. Can I become a millionaire with just affiliate marketing? Yes, becoming a millionaire through affiliate marketing is entirely achievable. Many YouTubers and bloggers earn millions of dollars just through affiliate marketing. It does not, however, occur overnight. Do you want to learn how to make a fortune with affiliate marketing? Then stay tuned, let's dive in. Affiliate marketers are compensated for referring new customers and clients to other companies. Cookies and other mechanisms that help detect click characteristics are frequently used to track these products and services. Affiliates market these affiliate links through blog posts, emails, and social media. You can join up with a company that promotes a specific service in exchange for a cut of the revenue generated by your recommendations. Alternatively, if you partner with huge networks such as Amazon, you will receive a percentage of any purchase made by a visitor via your affiliate links. Even if you don't buy the goods you originally recommended, you will be compensated. Affiliate marketing can be considered a form of self-employment. Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money because it requires little initial commitment and does not require you to create, stock, or distribute any inventory. Let's look at the steps to making $1 million in affiliate marketing now. Step number 1, think like a millionaire. Anyone with a millionaire attitude can make $1 million online. So what exactly is the attitude of a millionaire? You can make $1 million online if you believe in yourself and cultivate a positive mindset. This approach will assist you in overcoming obstacles and becoming a billionaire regardless of the difficulties you confront. This mindset also compels you to take significant action in order to achieve your goals and vision of what is achievable. It enables you to commit to studying, investigating, and integrating what you've learned into your business as quickly as possible in order to attain that goal. Step number 2, discover an evergreen market. Finding a niche in which people are actively and continuously looking for a product to buy year after year is the key to any business's success, especially affiliate marketing. To become wealthy, every top affiliate employs the method of finding an evergreen niche and supplying it with high-demand items or services. What is the evergreen niche, by the way? Evergreen niches are those with a steady or high demand for their products. People are always looking for new things to buy in these sectors and they never tire of it. Health, wealth, and relationship are examples of evergreen niches. There are other lucrative niches, but these 3 are the most popular. If your passion doesn't fit into one of these 3 categories, there is nothing to be concerned about. Simply stick with me and follow the rest of the instructions I will give you. Step number 3, be well-versed in your field of expertise. Knowledge in a niche around which you want to develop your business is extremely crucial and beneficial, especially if you want to succeed. Knowledge assists you in determining what works and what doesn't in the niche you're in. As a result, you'll be able to concentrate just on the task that will lead to achievement. The key to achieving your goals is to focus on the right things and take significant action. Learning about affiliate marketing is essential to achieving success in this sector. The primary reason that 95% of affiliate marketers fail to produce an income online is that they have a poor understanding of how affiliate marketing works and how to approach it in order to be successful in their endeavors. So, my recommendation is to have a fundamental understanding of how it works if you're already doing it or before you start. Step number 4, locate and promote products that are in high demand. Promoting a product that the market genuinely requires is similar to discovering a treatment for a long-term illness. You're in business if you can connect individuals or provide a solution to an issue they're having. If you give that solution pleasantly and professionally, you can easily become a multi-millionaire over time. What is the best way to tell if a product is popular? Well, I believe the best way to do that is to do some research to see what kind of things people are asking or typing into search engines, forums, and social media, and then try to put yourself in their position to comprehend their suffering, feelings, and challenges. Then, go find a good, appropriate product that you believe will help solve those problems and obstacles and advertise it to your niche market. You should use a product before promoting it to your audience. That way, you'll know if it's a suitable fit for your target demographic. Step number 5, decide on a source of traffic. A collection of people on a specific platform who require or are interested in a product or service you provide is referred to as traffic. Traffic is incredibly vital in any online business. It's the key to running a successful online business. That is to say, without it, you will not make income. People who generate a lot of high-quality focused traffic to their website have a better chance of making money. So, aside from content, one of the primary things I'll propose you focus on in your business is traffic. Free organic traffic and sponsored traffic are the two main types of traffic. Step number 6, create high-quality content. People will see what you're promoting through your content and eventually click on your link and make a purchasing decision. You can't expect to become a millionaire without putting in the effort first. And that work is done online by producing useful, important, relevant, and high-quality information that assist others in solving issues and alleviating pain. Step number 7, build up your email list. According to statistics, over 3.9 billion people use email every day, which is anticipated to rise to 4.3 billion by 2023. Email marketing is the top source of revenue for more than 80% of online marketers. So, what exactly is email marketing and how does it work? Email marketing is the process of sending or communicating a message to a group of individuals or potential consumers to establish trust and establish a relationship with them in exchange for advertising a product. In other words, email marketing is one of the most successful online marketing channels for promoting and marketing products, services, and important information to a list of clients. If you don't have an email list, you're missing out on many opportunities. Let me tell you something. You're squandering a large sum of money. The amount of money you wish to earn is included in the list. So start working on your email list and watch what happens. It is best to begin as soon as possible. Step number 8, make a plan to achieve your objectives. Keep in mind that no one becomes a millionaire by accident. Setting defined, quantifiable, attainable, reasonable, and time-bound goals are essential, as well as taking action in their direction. You must clearly understand what you want, when you want it done, and the steps that will get you there. When you set a goal, make sure to check it on a daily basis to determine if you're on track. This will assist you in remaining concentrated and unaffected by distractions. Your chances of becoming a millionaire, on the other hand, are a pipe dream if you don't have clear-cut goals. You won't have the drive to take the steps necessary to achieve your goals. I understand that each individual is unique. Without setting a goal, some people can get the results they desire in life. In most circumstances, though, you won't get the desired result if you don't have a goal. Step number 9, maintain a long-term perspective and take small steps. Making millions of dollars over the internet, especially in affiliate marketing, won't happen in a day or two. What will lead to that great result is learning to take small actions with massive activity over a long period of time. Most individuals I've noticed go into affiliate marketing expecting to be super rich in a month. And if it doesn't happen, then they become disheartened and quit. Rome wasn't built in a day. Everything needs time to mature, so before you start sprinting, I want you to learn to take small steps. Why aren't some affiliate marketers successful? Many people make a good living through affiliate marketing, but some people are still struggling because they don't believe it is possible for them. Every opportunity is a scam to some of them. The majority of individuals are unaware of what it takes to succeed in affiliate marketing online. They simply don't understand how to approach this company model and how to maximize its potential. In addition, most individuals believe affiliate marketing is a get-rich-quick scheme. Some gurus have led them astray, and 95% of affiliate marketers think they can easily generate money by simply throwing or spamming their affiliate link through social media. However, this isn't the case. Making your first $50 to $100 online daily is the beginning of your journey to $1 million in affiliate marketing. The first step to making $1 million online is constantly earning $100 in your business. The goal is to break down your $1 million target or goal into manageable chunks. It's impossible to go from zero to $1 million. It'll take an eternity to target that type of cash, especially if you're relying on free organic traffic. That's why I recommend concentrating on generating $100 initially and then using half of it for sponsored ads once you've established a steady stream of income. Then, you can progressively increase your income by scaling it up. That's all there is to it for today's video. Thank you for staying with me this far. Click the notification bell icon to ensure you don't miss another upload, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.